ozomona bango basali na bango moi pe tribalisme na bango gande na oloba donc bazali awa.
So gestation period, it takes 14 months for it to give birth to one calf, and the lifespan is between 40 to 50 years. That's how long they live.
Really?
Yes.
15?
50.
50?
40 to 50 years.
Do bavandaka baumelaka na mokili ba 40 à 50 ba girafe nde bomona.
So they are full-time browsers. So they eat from the tops of trees. That's why you've not met them at the savannah where we
are. To mona bango na savane te parce que bango balinga kolia iska ba nzete ezali na ba forêt. Donc net boye likolo balinga kolia likolo ba nzete. Donc yango moni to mona bango na savane te. Those are males.
Yeah, these are the males.
The king, the kid.
No, these are mixed now.
They are mixed.
There are some males that are on the extreme right. Okay. But we have some females.
They are males.
We have some females. But on this side we have only males.
Well, Ibali, Bazanga Basi, Obasala Rate, Piaker, Nausala Baferte, les Tozomona Bango. Donc la nature peut nous enseigner quelque chose dont nous devons comprendre un mot. Donc même dans Mboga Banyama, si nous voulons usala ke lokote, uzama kasite, kwa kolesa batute, mulko kolesa basite, barokima yo, barolanda, bango nyonso wa kolesa bango. Wa ko assurer sécurité na bango, wa ko usala ke ba vivre longtemps. Donc c'est ça. C'est pour dire que va faire et vous savez que muto vivre plus longtemps. Oui, ok.